Holy moly, August 11th. It's a hot one today. It is 12 in the morning, and it is, the Spyder keeps bouncing from 90 to 91 degrees. Yeah, it's a warm one. Gonna be a warm one yet again in the San Antonio, Texas area. Welcome back, everybody. Palm tree. Everybody loves palm trees. Well, I don't want to say everybody. This fat boy loves palm trees. So every time I see a palm tree, I'm like, hey, it's a palm tree. Just like anytime I see a motorcycle, it's a motorcycle. And I don't know what I'm going to talk about today. I want to wish Mom a happy birthday. A day early. Tomorrow is her happy birthday. She has a very good birthday planned with a friend, and I hope all of that comes to be. And we're just going to go straight. 15, 18. Yep. All right. Maybe we'll go down to Laverna and past. Laverna, I don't think is much. There's an HEB there. It's a grocery store. Big time grocery store. So what do we talk about today? I want to start doing a video on how to cope with the heat, because what I'm wearing today is not how you cope with the heat. I am wearing not riding shoes. Nope, because mine fell apart. I'm wearing jeans, and I am wearing a Spyder t-shirt. I am wearing my leather gloves. Yeah, they don't have any fingers in them because sometimes you gotta touch stuff, and I like, but how am I going to deal with the heat? Moving from a northern state to down here. So in the north, you have to worry about a couple different things. The first thing is the cold. If you want to ride all year round, how do you do that? So I did it by a lot of heated gear. Heated gloves, jacket liner, and pants, wool socks, and a pair of leather shoes, boots over the ankle. Down here it's different, and I really haven't ridden a lot this year. I don't even have 2,000 miles ridden yet this year, August, which is crazy for me. I usually have that wrapped up in just a couple months, and in the seasons that you can't ride up north. So what I think I'm going to try is I'm going to go for a ride, and I'm going to be in a short sleeve shirt, and then we're going to throw on a long sleeve shirt, and then we're going to throw on my cool vest and see if that really helps. And then we'll go for a ride and we'll see what happens. Did that say gray down or gray town? I know where that road goes. It takes me right back home. So we're gonna do that, because that sounds exciting. And anybody that's lived in warm weather, go ahead and let me know how you deal with the heat. I think what I'm gonna be doing also is, once I get back into riding, and the reason for the absence of the riding is just a lot of change. Moving from Ohio to Texas and getting married and looking for a house, and I like that truck. It takes a lot of time, so I just haven't been able to focus on riding. And of course, you're in a new relationship and you want to spend time with that person. So we will get back to riding and how-to videos, I promise you. My mind, it's like, oh, house for sale. Well, what's it look like? What we got? And anybody that has experienced trying to find a house, new for me. So I've only lived in a handful of houses and never went and looked for a house. My last house I bought off my parents to keep it in the family, and then I sold it to my son. So him, when it's ever time for him to sell that house, it'll be new for him as well, looking for a new house. It takes a lot of time. But Yeah, the old Spyder, we cracked 27,000 miles on it. Ooh, what are we gonna do? This thing is getting up in the mileage, and it's filthy dirty. It's dusty more than anything. I got some dried bugs on there. Ugh. These roads, I don't like these roads. Yeah, and a lot of dust. So we need to get this thing cleaned. We're gonna do a how-to video on that. One thing I think I've realized is don't eat breakfast and then come out in the heat. I don't feel good. I think that's step one. Breakfast medicine makes for a bad ride. Look at these lines, the wind. All the cows are bedding down under the trees. It is warm. 91 at 10 in the morning. We need to find a longhorn. I was like, hey, look, it's a longhorn. No, it was just a cow with horns. A longhorn. They're cool. And they're around here. I see them all the time when I'm not riding. Laverne Road. We're going to go straight. Hey, Wilson. Like the volleyball. Wilson! Big old fifth wheel. But yeah, it was yesterday, I don't know, it was over 100 yet again, and the humidity 40%. That's the difference between southern Texas, where I'm at. The humidity is actually fairly low, and you know, Ohio, if it's 90, that's an armadillo. I would not want to hit one of those. No, not on this thing. It would explode the front end. Yeah, that's the difference between where I'm at in Texas, is there's hardly any humidity, and central Ohio, which is just a ton of humidity. So when it's 100 degrees down here, it's not like if you're watching from any state that has humidity, there's a difference, and I see it now. It's still hot, don't get me wrong. 103 degrees is hot no matter where you're at. 103 is freaking hot, but when it's 40% humidity, it's not like 90 degrees with 90% humidity and the dew point 75 or higher. That's paralyzing. This is just really darn hot. I'm going to do some research. I got to do some research. I want to find some more roads that are rideable for me, you know. I want to find some good routes. I want to do the Sisters again. I want to do 12, 16. 16 was really good. It's on the other side of San Antonio, where it picks up. And I took 10. We live off of 10, so I took 10 across and out, and then I picked up 16, and I brought 16 back down into San Antonio. So it was a huge loop road or ride, and it was good. It was a good ride. I really like 16. Okay. Cemetery and a plastics company. Oh yeah, got the trucks, got the hay. Ranch life, people. So I think that's about it. I'm gonna listen to some music. I'm gonna try to stay cool. I think I need to start bringing my Camel back, because I am parched. Another dream home came true, people. And don't mind me, this is, you know, I am just looking. Deverna. 1,000 people live here. Highway. That did say 1,000 people, right? And they got an HEB? Dang. HEB is big down here. Real big. San Antonio. Let's run down to Stockdale. See it? Malibu coming. Palm tree. These are like little baby Buckies. They're kind of cool. Miniaturized, if you know what I mean. So on that, I'm gonna let everybody go. I'm gonna run down the road. I'm gonna listen to some tunes and try to feel better. So yeah, we can grab 6th gear. On that, everybody, if you could, why are we slowing down? That's a big time slow down. Give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. See you down the road.